Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 13 for lower deduction. This application is crucial for taxpayers in India who want to reduce their tax deducted at source, or TDS. By filing Form 13, you can request that tax be deducted at a lower rate, or even not at all, ensuring that the amount withheld aligns more closely with your actual tax obligations. This helps prevent situations where too much tax is deducted, improving your cash flow. So, who is eligible to apply for Form 13? Generally, any taxpayer whose estimated total tax liability for the financial year is less than the amount of TDS that would otherwise be deducted can apply. This includes both resident and non-resident individuals, as well as businesses. It's particularly useful for various income types like rent, interest, capital gains from property sales, and commissions, where standard TDS rates might be higher than your actual tax due. Filing Form 13 is primarily done online through the Traces portal. First, log in with your credentials. Then, find the Request for Form 13 option. You'll need to accurately fill in all necessary details, including your income estimates and tax liability calculations. Remember to upload all supporting documents, such as previous tax returns and financial statements. Finally, verify your application using either a mobile OTP or your digital signature certificate before submission. Once approved, the certificate issued for Form 13 will specify the lower TDS rate applicable to your income and is typically valid for a specific financial year or transaction. It's best to apply at the start of the financial year or well before any significant transactions to ensure timely processing. This proactive step can significantly improve your cash flow. Also, for more great financial insights, check the description for a link to the Simple Path to Wealth and other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.